how the actual hole's covered. Last side is gonna be against my dick, so. Shit, take off my socks. I'm very serious. This is fucking weird. This is porn shit, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I put him in my pocket, bro. I feel so gay! Alright, oh. The Griffin got open? You got it open out there?
Yes, let's go.
Back it up!
Yeah, we could just bring the car over into the driveway. Oh, wait. I didn't realize that was part of the plan.
Let's go backwards!
Why? That's forwards. Oh.
Are you retarded?
I can't see it.
Oh, choice mailbox!
It's not in the street.
Alright, okay!
He's bringing it into the driveway like a genius.
What the fuck is he? That's not how that work. Oh my god, bro. This is hard to hold in this. What?
This dude. Griffin totals both of
Open that back door, you ready, nigga? Alright, you ready?
This is objectively a terrible idea.
Yeah. Get that baby. I'm up.
Alright, are you guys leaving now?
No.
No?
I didn't get it in my house.
Wait, that's my towel.
Kyle.
Go. Do you guys have everything?
What?
Do you have everything?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well,
Wait, can you check my little baggie of stuff on the table?
I guess.